Hey, Coaster Jammin' here with Steph, Gage, and Charlie. Charlie just picked up his first ever ride on El Toro, and if you know it, the girls love this thing like it's no other. So we got to get Charlie on here, and this is credit, what, 78?
Something like that.
It's 78 or 79. So, all right, what do you think?
Starting with me?
Yep.
I'm going to have to put this as my number one right now. I don't know of any other coaster where halfway through I'm laughing because I'm like, it's just throwing you around.
It's really trying to kill you, which is
in the best way.
Yeah.
I would agree with that. So we've got a trip coming up to Holiday World, and I think Voyage is going to change everybody's mind on that. This is my number one wooden coaster, but for now, until I get back on Voyage, because it's been a long time. Gage, you want to say anything about Toro?
Oof. So I don't really know 100% what my favorite wooden coaster is. I mean, I haven't been on the Voyage, but other ones I've been on, it's either Toro or the Beast. I feel like Toro. But sometimes I debate against the Beast or Toro. But Toro is also at my home park, so it's harder to decide because I go on Toro more often. Only been on the Beast a few times. But El Toro, no other airtime like it. Sky Rush, not similar to it at all. Overrated, but yeah.
Right. Steph, anything?
Favorite ride ever. Always. Everywhere I go, I still end up with Toro.
I'm going to say that your favorite is Toro because I've never heard you talk about Beast at all.
What? That's a good comment. All right, guys, hang out. We're going to do some more from here. I think Charlie's got a couple more credits to pick up, including Superman.
And ride Toro again.